खुशियों पर मौज की रवानी रहेगी, जिंदगी में कोई ना कोई कहानी रहेगी। हम यूं कार्यक्रम में चार
Santosh Arya, whose vision and dedication laid the foundation of this temple of learning. Your
इन रंगों से रोशन रहे आपकी दुनिया, हर ख्वाब आपका एक नया रंग दिखाए। नवरंग से सजी आज की ये शाम, जाते जाते सबके दिलों को खुशियों से भर जाए।
to a dear parents, our life, schools canvas to life.
मेहनत का रंग जब चढ़ता है तो जीवन का हर कोना सजता है। नवरंग हमें सिखाता है यही कि हर हुनर कामयाबी का परचम बनता है।
A most cordial greeting to the school management committee, the Sukram Gram Vikas Samiti, our esteemed dignitaries, respected principals, and our devoted teaching and non-teaching staff.
Your dedication shapes young minds and continues to inspire every learner. We are truly grateful for your constant support and guidance.
Let the colors dance, the music rise, and the spirit of celebration fill the air.
And Palak to carry forward this beautiful journey of Navrang and to introduce you to the program. Thank you, Riya and Hishita. First, we will seek the blessings of Goddess Saraswati.
It will be followed by Hanuman Vandana by the talented performers of class 7.
Following this, the students from classes 6, 7 and 8 will present a melodious group song.
Next, our respected principal will welcome the august gathering.
The little ones of Bal Vatika 1 will then charm us with a lovely family song, spreading warmth and smiles all around.
The celebration continues with a grand fusion dance by the girls of classes 7, 8 and 9.
Our senior girls from classes 9 to 12 will then take the stage with the traditional Haryanvi dance, beautifully showcasing the rich folk heritage and vibrant spirit of Haryana.
Up next, we will relive the highlights of the year through our annual report, glimpses of the hard work, dedication and success that define our journey toward excellence.
The adorable tiny tots of Bal Vatika 2 will then bring your favorite cartoon characters to life, filling the atmosphere with laughter, fun and excitement.
After that, our senior student will set the stage ablaze with an energetic Bhangra performance.
The theme dance of Navrang will follow, presented by the students from classes 3rd, 4th, 6th and 7th, capturing the spirit and essence of colors of life.
Then comes one of the most awaited moments, the prize distribution ceremony, where we will honor students who have shown outstanding achievements in academics, sports and co-curricular activities. And our chief guest will also grace us with words of wisdom and inspiration.
Up next, the lively students of Bal Vatika 3 will perform a vibrant Bollywood dance, sure to fill the stage with sparkle and energy.
A thought-provoking Hindi play will then be presented, where our students will display their acting talents while conveying a meaningful social message.
This will be followed by the Asha and choreography, presented by the students from class 8, inspiring everyone with its message of hope, positivity and faith.
We will then move the second round of prize distribution ceremony and motivational words of our guest of honor.
Up next, the lively students of class 2nd will perform a Haryanvi dance, followed by our energetic graders of first class.
The talented performers of class 5th will enchant us a graceful Kumamni dance, representing the beauty and cultural richness of India's hilly region.
So dear audience, fasten your seat belts and open your hearts, because today is not just a celebration, it's a symphony of colors, culture and creativity.
Riddhi, let's make some noise and cheer for every performer who adds their shade to this magical canvas of Navrang.
Now stage to Sujal and Printy to carry forward this beautiful journey of Navrang, the colors of life.
Thank you for